Hello. So this painting was created with, okay, write it down, the LUXE Glow Powders and the LUXE Glow Tints. Now the tint don't have the sparkle in them, and they're even finer than the LUXE Glow Powders, which are still pretty fine. The LUXE Glow Powders have the sparkle. I like a mix of both. I don't want like a disco ball looking piece of art. So I like that blue. That's called Belizean blue, or maybe I called it Belize blue. That's a glow tint, so no sparkle in that right there. And then some of that green is a color that I have not launched. I wasn't sure if other people would want green. I'm liking it a lot for Northern Lights, like right through here. But then I've added, this color is Aqua Island. Do you see how it's kind of aqua teal? That is a glow tint. And then we got some here. So I mixed some of my green glow that, again, hasn't been launched unless I have enough people asking for it, with Aqua Island, which is right there. The mixing of them is what makes it so cool. This is Orion Luxe powder, that like pinkish purple right here. And then there's the Blaze Blue, the glow tint. Anyway, so I'm gonna open this door so you can see the shimmer. There's some shimmer in some areas, and then in other areas there's not, which is, it just gives it a whole lot of depth when you do it that way, where you've got some shimmer here and no shimmer there. It just makes it so interesting. They're just like, who are you talking to?